Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever placed an Amazon order and then suddenly realized you don't need it anymore, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to cancel a shipped order on Amazon in 2025. I'll also explain what you need to do if the order has already left the warehouse, so make sure to stick around until the end to avoid missing any important details. Let's get started. First, log into your Amazon account. Head over to Amazon.com and sign in using your email and password. Once you're signed in, hover over the Account and Lists option at the top right corner and then click on Orders. Here you'll see a list of your most recent purchases. Find the order you want to cancel and click on View or Edit Order. If the order is still in the Preparing for Shipment stage, you may see the option to cancel items. Click on that. Now, Amazon will ask you to select a reason for cancellation from the drop-down menu. Choose the reason that applies to your situation, then click on Cancel Selected Items to confirm. Now here's the important part. If your order has already been shipped, hitting cancel won't actually stop the delivery. The package will still arrive at your doorstep. In this case, your best option is to wait for the delivery, then head back to the Your Orders page, select the item, and click Return or Replace Items. From there, Amazon will guide you through the return process, which is usually very straightforward. If your order hasn't shipped yet, you can cancel it directly. If it has already shipped, you'll need to wait for delivery and then return it. And that's it. With these steps, you'll know exactly what to do the next time you need to cancel a shipped Amazon order. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.